Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Syafiq Hizzam Norzami. I am from engine department. Now I am studying in marine mechanical engineering, technology of 60 batch in Polytechnic Bumi Akpeli campus. Today I am going to share you about my reading of the title engine department. I am the head of engine department. Am responsible for personnel and the proper operation, maintenance, and safety of the vessel propulsion system, power generation system, and auxiliary machinery and species. I have to decide on effective repair and report defects that might affect the ship's performance to the master. I also advise the master on all matters relating to machinery usage, full recruitment, and overall economical use of supplies and storage. I order repair and maintenance and proper inventory or spare parts on supplies and supervise bunkering. I see to it full and water is monitored daily. I assess and supervise the work done by the engine department personnel. I set engine room watches spaces duties and make sure what watches are maintenance. Thank you for listening. See you again.